Hey, good morning, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Good morning. This broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, man, you better ask somebody. Ask a licensed financial advisor. You could lose your entire account. Good morning, everybody. Hope you had a nice evening. Let me get a little water. Excuse me for just a moment. Okay. If today's your first day joining us, welcome. My name's Rory Powers. I'm with Right Line Trading. We're going to be showcasing two of our automated strategies, the AI Auto Trader and the iBots. These are fully automated strategies that run within the NinjaTrader 8 platform. And once they're enabled, the bots will execute and manage the positions on your behalf. We're in our one-day pass on the ES30 range. These are prop trading templates specifically designed to pass an evaluation. They trade the maximum number of contracts and the minimal amount of ticks necessary to get you across the finish line in one trade. On a $50,000 account, 10 contracts on the ES. I forget how many ticks it is exactly, to be honest with you. But I think it's about 20 or 25 ticks in order to get $3,000. And it looks like it already hit a few times because it's already up 6,000. And it's in another position now, going for 3 in a row. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory, at the calendar. Let's not have any unpleasant surprises. We had the big CPI report this morning. Let's get an overall look at the pre-market environment. We had a big move up overnight. Big move up. Report came out and it went sideways. But we took a big leg up through the London Open. Market doesn't like gaps. When that opening bell rings, we could have a retracement, a short move. Let's see what else is on the calendar, if anything. Oops. Today is Wednesday, March 12th. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. You're still in the game. We got crude oil at 10:30. Crude oil at 10:30. We had core CPI at 8:30. Well, what was the news on core CPI? Inflation rate hits 2.8% in February, less than expected. Less than expected. That's a good thing. Looks like the index for shelter was the one that kept it elevated, elevated. All right, so less than expected CPI report with inflation. We're going to be trading the futures index equities today. And the system trades all of the index equities, the futures, with exception to the Russell. So the Dow, the E-mini, and the NASDAQ. We've also diversified into crude oil and gold, precious metals and energy. We run all of the bots through the overnight session. We want to see which ones are performing the best in this current trading environment. On the one-day passes, the way they work, you don't want to get a bunch of unrealized gains. I always recommend dragging your stop and squeezing it, because you don't want to get unrealized gains and have it come all the way back up. It'll blow your account on that eval. So it's best to kind of trail those a bit tight. So we run the bots through the overnight session, through the London Open. I'm sure we caught some really nice long moves overnight. And the ones that are performing the best will find their way to our leaderboard. Are these all the bots that are trading and they're all winning? No. We have bots that are losing on the bottom. Okay, but the ones that we focus on, our methodology is to focus on the ones that are performing well in this current trading environment. I see right at the top of my list is my go-to strategy, is this 30 range ABC Smart Velocity. I like to trade that in the first 10 minutes of the market open, and I like to have an alignment of trend on my 20 Unarenko when I enable my trade copier. This is my leaderboard. With that information, I take a trade copier and I put my leaderboard as my leader account, my top bots, on tabs, and I can quickly enable them by turning them on and having them copy across my Apex accounts. So I'm looking for this NASDAQ 30 range. We're in a trade now. I like for the first few minutes of the market open to go by. That initial burst, we're going to sidestep it. We're going to give it a few minutes to kind of find its way and come into alignment with my 20 Unarenko, which is this chart up top. David Wise uses a very common strategy. If he's going to take a trade on a 5-minute chart, he'll look at his daily and he'll see the overall trend of that ticker. He doesn't want to take a call if in the daily chart it's been going down and it's set up market structure wise for a short. He doesn't want to take a counter trend trade. He wants to trade in the same direction of the trend. And that's, in essence, what we're doing when we enter trades that are aligned in trend with the higher time frame. So we'll give that a shot. Right now it's both in alignment to the upside. My 20U is above the 50. My 50 is green. And my 30 range is also in agreement. Now it's not 100% foolproof. We are going to take losers. But I've been doing well with it. Let's see. All right, we got about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Hey, good morning, Scott, Jorge, Judy, Charles, Duke, the Dukester. The Dukester's in the house. Okay, there we go. Well, 1 minute away. I thought it opened. Buenos, Jorge.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
1 minute before the open, it popped in long.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I've got my lagometer down here. So I want to wait until these turn green as well. That initial burst at the market open will sometimes cause some lag.
Order submitted. Order
So we're going to let this settle down. Took a nice long entry right into resistance. See if it can break through. Bam, it's in the profit window. Now they're both above.
submitted.
Let's see what happens on this trade. I'd like to see it pulling a loser right here.
Order submitted.
Took a little heat, but I think it's going to head up now. It's going to retest that area of resistance. Our ES8U, our ES30 range, excuse me, just took off long. Boom, and there goes our right into resistance. Back in the profit window.
Order submitted.
Okay,
Order submitted.
I thought it was going to break and I enabled it. Might have pulled in a loser here. Let's see if it could pop up through this area of resistance. Come back up. Breakthrough.
Order submitted.
Come on up. Breakthrough there. Come on up.
Order submitted.
There we go. Ah. Come on up.
Order submitted.
Here we go. I'm going to bring this thing up. Get in my profit window. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. All right. 500 or 250? Let's get the 5. Let's get the 5.
Order submitted.
Bam. Got him.
Order submitted.
Oh no, I'm not taking that one. Bam. We hit it right through all those PA accounts. That was a nail biter. across my PA accounts, 18, 19, and 20. Nice. We'll take that. It's going to take another one, it looks like. So I'm going to turn off my PA accounts and we'll play around with the evaluations. That's my profit goal. Look at the ES one-day pass. Holy moly. That ES one-day pass is up $9,000. That's 3 in a row for that one. Good morning now. Yeah, that was a nice trade, wasn't it, Chad? Man, that was a real nail biter. I thought I was dead twice. Happy to come out of it alive. Let me get my PA accounts out. Out, out, out. Yeah, I have two 47 and 48. Okay, our iBots are just kicking in now. Let's keep an eye on this lag. It's been very seamless on my computer. The iBots actually in a long trade here on the 24U. We are set up for a long. Let's see if we can continue to the upside. Now the iBot is looking at those indexes off the cash market. It's looking at a disparity between uptick and downtick. We're streaming data from the stock market via a kinetic data feed. My data feed kinetic is streaming in those indexes. It's become a catchphrase to say, hey, we follow along in the direction of institutional money. But hey, how do you do it? What does that mean? Well, the way we do it is through those market internals, right off the cash market. These bots have the finger on the pulse of the cash market and the stock market, looking at a disparity between buyers and sellers. As soon as it picks up on that disparity, it's going to jump in. Getting a little bit of heat on this one. We're going to stick with our leaderboard. Our NQ30 range one-day pass hit for 2,700. Our 30 range hit 3 in a row. Pulled in a loser on the first trade on the 24U. Our ES8U has been red hot. It just traded right through the VWAP. Hello there. Here's my princess. Got my little daughter here. Hi. Okay, let's check out our leaderboard. The ES30 range is up 1637. Our smart velocity 1450. AINQ. Bounced right off the VWAP just now. The E-mini did. Here we go. We're back in on the 24U. Let's see if it can get it back. We've got some upside resistance. Got some good buying pressure. Is it enough to get through these areas of resistance? That's the question. Here we go. It's going to test it. Get in the window. We got a first target on the 24. Okay, a 250 trade. 250 trade. 24U still in long. If we can break through this area of resistance, we've got some running room to the upside.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Jumped in long again on the 30 range.
Order submitted.
And the 24U.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Excuse me for just a second. Got someone at the gate. Okay. Retesting the VWAP on the E-mini. Let's see what happens here.
Order
This
submitted.
could turn the direction of the market. Let's see if that 50 holds up.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Steven, good morning. Thank you, Dukester.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I've been on a roll with that PA account. I got 3 PA accounts, and through October, through February. Oh man, I don't know why I do that. Through February, on the PA accounts. Let me show you what I'm up. Been using this little hack in the first 10 minutes of the market open. Through February 1st to March 12th, I'm at 13,329 across these 3 PA accounts. 13,329. A win rate of just under 61%. Anything over 40 with these bots, we do well. There we go. It took off short. So 13,000 in profits from February 1st to March 12th across 3 PA accounts, funded accounts. And those are $100,000 prop accounts. Here we go. We've got alignment to the short side now. We've got alignment to the short side. I see my 20U is headed down, and now my 30 range went right into support. Right into support and bounced. It's going to retest it. Let me get my evals going. There it goes. iBot 24U got maxed out on its losses today.
Order
Let's see what the 16U's doing. Hasn't taken a trade yet. ES8U scalper bot. Wow. Look at this trade here, will you? Went right through the VWAP.
order submitted.
In a monster on that E-mini.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted.
iBot ES30. That's always a fun strategy to watch. Let's check it out. Oh, that's the ES30, not the NQ30.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order order submitted. Order submitted.
Here we go. We're in the iBot NQ30. This is a fun bot to watch, let me tell you. Just took the risk off the trade. Now you just need a little breathing room. It takes the risk off very quickly
Order submitted.
on that 30 range, and we're in for a free ride. And if we can catch one,
Order submitted.
if we can catch one, it's going to be a home run. Setting up for a short. Let's see our leaderboard here. ES, our NQ30,
Order
NQ30,
order submitted.
and the rest are ESs. Let's see if we can catch this one. This is the iBot on the 30 range.
Order
Mm.
submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
We've got alignment on the 20U and the 30 range to the short side.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nope, not anymore. Our ES8U's been red hot. It's up 1,600 this morning. That's an AI bot.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
ES scalper drone back in short. This bot's red hot today. Our MES, the micro, that PA account, we have bots that are also designed specifically to trade PA accounts. Today, the one that's trading on the MES is doing well. It's in a short trade now. That's up 92, almost $100. This SimUB test had a tremendous day yesterday. Well, it looks like it's given back all of those gains from overnight. They're slowly melting away.
Order submitted.
Let's check our leaderboard. This NQ30 range smart velocity bot is up 1450.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Here's the IBOT on the 30 range. All the risk is off.
Order submitted.
Not getting any follow through to the upside.
Order submitted.
Let's try that sim account.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
This is one of those trades that we don't have the alignment. You could see the 20U is set up short. The 30 range is in a long. Took a loser. Now jump in short. I bought on the 20 range. Oh, wow. You see that? Holy moly. Something just happened. What was that? I'm not exactly sure. Is there a news report or something I missed? Let's go on the Forex Factory. Holy moly. From the Bank of Canada? Oh, the Bank of Canada reduced their interest rates by 25 basis points. Policy rate by 25 basis points. I can't imagine that's what caused this. Monetary policy decision from the Bank of Canada.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Well, that certainly changed the trajectory of things very quickly, didn't it?
Order submitted.
We got crude oil coming up at 10:30.
submitted.
That ES8U. Let's play the ES8U just for the heck of it. Um, just to keep things interesting.
Order submitted.
Here's the ES8U scalper drone. Let me get my PA accounts off.
Order
Oh,
submitted.
it just jumped in.
Order submitted.
I was 1 minute late to getting that short. Let's see how it plays out. This could be a runner right here. This is a beauty. Well, if this one breaks, it could get ugly to the downside. A lot of selling pressure here. Retested. Kind of double bottomed off of that area of support. There's a lot of selling pressure right here. Bam. Oh, this thing is gone. This thing is gone. That thing's got a lot of selling pressure to it. Big spike in volume. What a beautiful entry that was. Okay, we're in short on the 20U, the 16U, excuse me, and the 30 range. Everything's lined up short now.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if we get this short roll to continue. Man, there's been a lot of volatility.
Order submitted.
It's not just a smooth ride up or down. It's a bumpy ride. The 8U is riding it out though. Up at the top left, my ES on the 8U.
Order submitted.
3 March 10th. The ES30 range ABC Star drone. We've got our two one-day passes, number 1 and 2. The ES30 range one-day pass, which is really very similar to this ES drone. Hit three in a row on the one-day passes, up $9,000. Oh, now they're both set up short now. Let's see if we get a short position. NQ 1 minute short. Let's check it out. Oh, there's our 30 range. There's the iBot on the 1 minute. Nice and tight to the 50. Momentum shifted on us. Here we go. Come on. Wow. Our ES8U scalper bot is up 1637. Our ES8U scalper drone took this entry, but the bot did not. That's how this AI model works on the AI Auto Trader. The drone is just trading away. The bot is only taking the trades when historically, during the trading session hours, it does the best. Here we go short. We need this trade. We're short on the 16U, we're short on the 1 minute. See if we can get one. Here we go. Oh man, that thing take off. Wow, I don't know what's causing this. Big boost, big pop to the upside here. You just get the feeling that at any minute, this thing's going to catch a monster trade. MESPA bot is in short.
Submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Here we go to the upside. NQ on the 16 Unarenko. The 20U just jumped in on the sniper. Bot and drone just went long. Got a nice trade on the 16U. That's been a good strategy. The IBOT 16U. See if we can get there.
Order submitted.
Come on up. Get up there. Oh, I need my profit window. I love that profit window. Get there. Oh.
Submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh man, that one tick cost me, didn't it? 16U. I'm putting a profit window on you. Right back in long. Our 20U is still in long.
Order submitted.
And the 16U.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on up.
Order submitted.
If you'll excuse me for just a moment, I'm just going to run to the restroom.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Here we go. Ah, come on now. Some follow through to the upside for us. Ankh, good morning, good morning. You know, I was going to show what we were discussing yesterday on the phone. And I saw that you put that in Discord, Ankh. It's really great information. Thank you for putting that in there. Ankh has really got really a extremely intelligent guy. Got a lot of great ideas. Really valuable member of our community. Him and Alonzo. Alonzo is in Washington, D.C. been a member with us a long time. And now Ankh.
Order submitted. Order
Come on,
submitted.
push through.
Order
All
submitted.
right. Here we go.
Order submitted.
Man, not easy, man. This market is, it's not a straight road up, is it? Yeah. We're trying it on a number of different data series. Seeing if one of them catches the ebb and flow, and it's a rocky road. I could see it. $5 grand, Steven. Incredible. Yeah, it's kind of weird, ain't it, RJ? Great job, Steven. Congratulations, man. RJ, I'm running your strategy. I was like, what am I crazy? These guys are making all this money with this 150 range. Steven, which iBot were you trading when you made the $5 grand? Man, congratulations.
Submitted.
I would be done for the day, maybe even the week. It has, RJ.
Order submitted.
We've got a really great community in Discord. If you're not a member, I encourage you to come aboard. We've got some members that are
Submitted.
doing extremely well and are, not only that, are very knowledgeable and willing to share that information with our community of traders. We always, and I'm not ashamed to say it, we always get our best ideas from our members.
Order submitted.
There's definitely power in numbers. Come on, let's get this 1 minute to go for us one time. ES30R, nice. Yeah, that 30 range came on top of my leaderboard. Excuse me, let me run to the restroom.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, we're still in. Here we go. Come on down. Let the good times roll. Breakthrough there.
Order submitted.
Here we go. This thing could really go down to the basement here. Come on down. Come on down. Here we go. Caught a full winner on that 16U. The 1 minute is working. Might be on the exit on the line change now. Giving it plenty of room to mature to the downside here. I bought 20U's also in.
Order submitted.
Went all the way. Here come the iBots to the top. Except for the 1 minute. The 1 minute is tough to trade on the NASDAQ. A lot of static in a 1 minute. The 16U, 20U are creeping up on my leaderboard.
Order submitted.
Yeah, that's a good idea, RJ. Great idea. Yes. That 1 minute is a tough time frame on the NASDAQ, man. You get faked out of your shoes. Man, we're in short everywhere. That Sim UB test has been, man, when that strategy gets hot, look out. Where is my UB test? Count, man. Back in on the 1. Come on, 1 minute. I'm rooting for you. Boy, this is a big ask here. Yeah, the 1 minute I think got faked out on this one.
submitted.
I bet will re-enter again anyways. Yeah, it will.
Order submitted.
On the micros, yeah. Let's see, the 20U, we could get a big roll now to the downside here. If that 50 holds up on the 20 Unorenko. Well, let's see. Looks like it's going to break through it.
Order submitted.
I bought on the 30 range, did poorly on my machine, and Steven made 5 grand. Go figure.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
My iBots didn't do well on the E-mini today. What did well on the E-mini was the AI ES8U scalper bot is up 16. Well, we found ourselves in a tough trading environment here. I'm really happy to get that winner early and be on the sideline. We got David Wise coming up right behind me. David Wise is a professional options trader, full-time trader. Absolutely loves being in front of his charts. That's right where he's at home.
Order submitted.
Ooh, this one could have some legs here. That's a nice entry. Nice entry. We've got an alignment and trend now. Our 30 range and our 20U to the downside. Those are the ones we want. Get through there. Get in there. Get up through there. All right. 1 minute hanging tight. It's down a grand, but it's trying to make a comeback. It's been working on it. Our 16U on the iBot series on my machine is the iBot that's doing the best. iBot 16U, iBot 20U, both in, short. No risk on these trades anymore. Oh, that's about the same one. We got the 16U up here. Is up 2,500. The 20U is up 1,260. Those higher time frames on the NASDAQ are the ones that are doing the best. Five more minutes. Five more minutes. Crude inventory. Let's check out the crude inventory. Where's my gold chart? This is crude on a 2-unit Renko. Not an easy market to trade. One minute's right back in on the IBOT. NQ 1 minute.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
That was one of those spikes to the upside. All right, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We'll see what happens with the crude inventory. And then call it a day. IBOT 16U, IBOT 20U. Just jumped in long. Both in trouble. This is what happened on my trade earlier. Just not to this degree. But man, I got in that position. It came right from my stop. And it bounced very luckily and broke through support to the upside to hit my profit target. I was over here squirming in my seat.
Order submitted.
Oof, man, did that come dangerously close to my stop. Here it comes again. Oh. Oh.
Order submitted.
Got stopped out on both. The 16U, oh, where's the 20U? I bought 20U. And the 20U. Okay, here's the crude inventory. Let's see what the report is. Looks like it's big volume on crude. Look at that, 2,000 contracts a minute. Huge volume. Let's see what the report was.
Order submitted.
Mack Truck. Mack Truck just jumped in on the 20U on the AI system. Crude still has a ton of volume, but it's just not moving. It's at $67 a barrel.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Here goes our scalper drone again on the E-mini. Crude oil.
Order submitted.
I don't see the actual report. Our 16U's back in. This is the iBot 16U on my right. The ES8U on my left. Trying to let the good times roll to the downside here. Here we go. Here's a short roll right back into support. Got some good selling pressure here. Retesting it. Need a break. The 8U's off to the races on the E-mini. The NQ got temporarily sidetracked here. Hung up. Here we go. Big push through. Oh. Come on down. Need that first target. Oh, just kissed it. Oh, man, it's just one tick away. Man almighty. Mm-mm-mm. That hurts. Come on back down. Do us a favor. Boy, that hurts, doesn't it, when it comes one tick away from your profit target? Ah, look at that. Come on, we need the bottom to break. Let's go. Push through. Come on. There we go. Got that first target. Woo! Sweated that one out. Oh, don't wick us out. Keep going down. Oh, it doesn't want to break through that support, does it? There's a lot of buyers sitting right there. Oh, man. It's like a brick wall. Some real good selling pressure here.
Order submitted.
All right. Well, that's how it's going to end this YouTube session at 16:15 on the 16U. And just a brief recap of how the session went today. We're in a lot of really nice positions here currently. A lot of short trades on the E-mini that are doing really well. We're watching one on the 8 Unirenko now. But let's see what's in the bank already. I think our ES bots outperformed our NQ bots today. The ES 30 range, 3 one-day passes in a row. Those are our prop trading templates that will get you through an evaluation in one trade. Had you traded the ES on the 30 range, and that's Robert's Starbot, Star Drone, on the 30 range E-mini, hit 3 in a row. Lightning struck 3 times right in the same place. NASDAQ 30 range scored once. ABC 30 range drone, Robert's drone, 2262.50. ES8U scalper bot, very efficient. Made 1637 today and took the rest of the day off. The iBot 16U, we just watched that one in that short trade, is up $1,600. The Velocity, that's my go-to between 933 and 945. That's my bot right there. The ES30 range bot 687. The Mac truck 510. I got 480, 450, 450, 450, 450, 450 across all my Apex accounts. 46, 47, 48, all at 450. My PA accounts all at 450. Kept the winning streak alive. And let's take a look at real quick at the trade. This is what it looked like on the trade copier. I had the NQ30 range velocity, which, you know, by the way, is down 400. That doesn't mean we can't use it to make money. We have windows of opportunity that we find on these bots that we can consistently make some money with them. And the IBOT 20U currently is at 405. Look at this. Look at this ES8 using a monster. Now this will trail this trade, continue to trail it, and you can see we go for a home run on a trailing stop. So with this market giving us these huge sell-offs, we do have an opportunity with that ES8U to score a home run. But what I wanted to show real quick on the 30 range, well, now we got into another trade, so we got to watch this trade. On the 16U IBOT, it's our 1-2 punch, ESNQ. Okay, so at just under $2,000. If we go to the PA account and check out the trade from this morning, we took the trade, and this has been our strategy for the first 10 minutes of the market open. First 10 or 15 minutes, what we do, I'll show it to you. We got to go back to about 9:35 it was. There it is. Right around here, we got into the trade, and we took all kinds of heat. Came right back, almost hit our stop. Then it got stuck on this area of resistance. Finally broke through it and popped up and gave us a full winner after taking quite a bit of heat. And we were able to put 450 across across all 6 accounts. So really great day again. And we got on the sideline with some really nice profits. By 9:40 we were done. So I want to thank everybody for joining us today. Please, if you would, like my video on YouTube. It helps us out, gives us some traction, gets some new eyes on our products and services. If you like my video, please come back and join me. If you're available tomorrow, we're going to be, God willing, the same place, same time, same channel. 9:15 tomorrow a.m. We're going to do a little pre-market. We'll run down the news reports, check out the leaderboard, and then we'll get trading right at 9:30 at the opening bell. Let's see if we can keep this streak alive. We're on a real win. We're on a real roll here through a month and a half trading these PA accounts in just the first few minutes of the market open, right after that initial burst. Thank you, Rod, Jorge, Al, RJ. Thank you for joining me today. Really appreciate you guys' participation and joining me. And I hope you'll come back and see us again tomorrow. Have a blessed rest of your day, everybody. Man, this 8 Unorenko on the ES is still trailing that stop down. If it comes all the way down to the bottom here, it's going to be over a $2,000 trade. It's up almost 1,200 now. And the market seems to be melting away again, which has been the case over the last several weeks. So I hope you'll come back and join us tomorrow, and let's do it again. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Thanks, Rod.
Order submitted.